Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. I just got this huge Temu bag in the mail and I thought I would do an unboxing with y'all. This is mostly holiday decor and holiday items like gift ideas. I'm so excited to get into it. I'll have all the links to everything I mentioned today down below, as well as my coupon code. You can get up to $100 worth of coupons on Temu. Let's get into it. I did a similar video for like Halloween and the fall time, but I cannot lie, Christmas is my Super Bowl. Y'all know I love gift guides, I love gift ideas and gift recommendations, but most of all, I love decorating my house for Christmas. Temu is a place to go. They have so many affordable items for both gifting and decorating. I'm just excited. You guys, I had to try this before showing y'all. I'm obsessed. This might be the cutest little Christmas decoration I've ever found. It's a little Santa hat slip for your dining chairs. If you're having a holiday party and you don't get these, we cannot be friends anymore. I'm obsessed to get 4. I need to get one more pack. They kind of have to be flat back and kind of square for this to work, because I don't think it's gonna work on those. But oh my god, this is so cute. I don't even know what this is, but this box is already cute. This says Merry Christmas. I got these for dips and cheese boards. I thought this was like the perfect little holiday edition without breaking the bank. And how it comes, you can easily wrap this and gift it. I'm obsessed. Another great holiday cheese board platter. I thought this was so cute. And y'all, this is wood. Comes in 3 different designs. It was $5, I believe. And now I want to get every single design now that I know that the quality is this freaking good for the price. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. We can put nuts or like candies. I can't wait. I'm so excited. This little keychain I thought was the perfect little stocking stuffer gift. Very similar to Hermes, kind of similar vibe, but for $4. Comes in different color combinations. It has both the little hook and the ring. So cute. I thought this was such a good idea for a stocking stuffer. It's a glow-in-the-dark remote cover for our Fire Stick. Y'all, this was $1 and I feel like this is gonna solve so many issues in our house. I definitely have to get some for my parents. It's such a good find and perfect for a little gift. A purse strap that has very similar vibes to designer ones, and it's adjustable. It comes in a bunch of different color combinations. I got this really pretty beige and white with the brown monogram. Y'all, this was $5. So Olivia has the barn animals version of this, like the farm, but this is a little felt tree that you can put in their playroom or in their room, and then it comes with all the little felt ornaments to decorate. I'll do this with her right now so I can show you guys. I've tried a few headphones and earbuds from Temu for the holidays to recommend to y'all. So I got these that look very similar to the ones that Apple has, but they were around $10. I'm so excited because they're noise canceling and I love the fact that they're neutral, but this is what they look like. They're so nice, and for the price you really cannot beat it. I love the fact that they're wireless. Oh, they're like low-key noise canceling without anything even on. Okay, I will update you guys. Oh my god, I wish I would have had this for my holiday photo shoot. But look at this cute little velvet headband with the gold little bows. Y'all, bows are so in for the holidays. I already had 1 pack of these and I decided to get 4 more because we're usually more than 4 for the holidays. These are nice canvas placemats with nutcracker themes, and it says Merry Christmas. Super good quality, y'all. These were literally 4 for like $4 or less. Got these little earrings that I kind of want to put on right now. They look like little wreaths. So I wore these all weekend for a baby shower. I got so many compliments and they didn't bother me at all. They're so cute. I also got these that I thought would be perfect for dressing up for the holidays. I love this subtle bow, but these add a little bit more of a statement because they're a little bit longer. Let me show you. Because it's not the cutest little earring. I'm just obsessed. They're so shiny and pretty. And because I don't wear like earrings like these on an everyday basis. I don't really mind if they're not gold plated, so for $1 I'll take it. So I got this tennis bracelet from Temu a few months ago. I wear it every single day, don't take it off, and it's still as shiny and as beautiful as ever. So I decided to get the necklace version, and look how beautiful. It was $4. They must gold plate it or something because they don't tarnish, and they're so shiny. These are also earbuds. I couldn't get over it when I saw them. It was like an immediately add to cart situation. If you have like younger kids, teenagers, I think these are the perfect headphones that don't break the bank. Can you even handle it? How cute. Wait, these are also noise canceling. I already feel it. The little hearts. Oh my god, I can't. They also come in different colors, by the way, and these kind of reminded me. There we go. I'm so excited. These look like designer PJs. Look at the beautiful detail. But no, they were super inexpensive, like $13. My best friend swears by Owala's water bottles, and I've been wanting to try them, but they're like $27, I think, or something crazy. So I got the Temu version. And you can either suck straw or you can drink it and tilt it. Apparently leak proof. I'll try it out right now. I'll wash it, but I thought this was perfect for more on the go, and then I can just keep my Temu Stanley at home. I got a little bow pop socket for my Kindle. The place to get pop sockets and or phone cases is definitely Temu. They're so inexpensive and they're so darn cute. Look at that. I'm so excited for this. This is a little train set for the holidays. It was like $3, maybe a little less. It comes in 4 different colors, more holiday colors than blue and then pink. I got the pink one for Olivia's room and she's gonna freak out. So I got these faux pine tree branches. I thought this would be cute for napkins. Once again, for the tablescape, their name and then one of these little branches, and then put it on top of the napkin, and I thought it would be a cute little holiday tablescape. Even for Thanksgiving, that'd be great. Another gift idea, this 3D moon lamp has been really popular. It's one of the Temu bestsellers. See how it looks like the moon. Olivia's gonna love this actually. I grabbed this immediately. This is a case for the Dyson Airwrap. It's supposed to fit the actual Airwrap and all the pieces in here, but it looks spacious enough to fit everything, so we'll see. Got these little trees that I found for way more money elsewhere. The paper trees 3D. They're magnetic on the other side so they stay, and they're super easy to store. So cute. On top of a book. This would be precious. Oh, this is so cute. So my mom does like a holiday village each year, so I thought I would get her some little additions for it. Look how cute that is. It's precious. I got some ribbon. I decided to get this really pretty like pinky tone one, but they have so many, and I love the fact they don't have to get yards on yards of ribbon. You can just get a few yards at a time for super inexpensive. Like I said, both are the theme of today's video. Look at these beautiful bow socks. You might think these are for Olivia, but no, they are 100% for me. I'm obsessed. I love baking during the holidays especially, so I got these little press-on cutouts for decorating sugar cookies. So it comes with a Christmas tree, a little snowflake star, Santa Claus, and a little snowman. This is gonna be perfect, and I like the fact that you can cut and press on the design. This is gonna be so fun. Got more ribbon. I got this really pretty like ballerina light pink. I love wrapping ornaments in these, but also just gifts. I'll show you guys what it's supposed to look like. I really want to decorate the outside of my house right now, but it's like a waterfall cascade of lights with a star. So fun and so inexpensive. You guys know I love a reusable plate, so I got these little Christmas plates once again with the Nutcracker theme. I thought it would be perfect for these. This was $3 and you get 8, so perfect if you're having a little holiday party or a Secret Santa party. Oh, and then Olivia loves these little music boxes from Temu. I think they make the perfect little gift. This one is You Are My Sunshine because I sing it to her every night. I thought this was perfect for a little stocking stuffer. This is so exciting to me. More like holiday baking. This is a rolling pin with holiday designs, wood, and it's gonna be so great later on. Oh, I love it. Another great inexpensive gift idea, especially for men, is this sunglass travel case. You can fit 5 pairs and it's pretty compact. I love that it comes in like more neutral, darker leather tones, so perfect for a guy in your life. This is a little Christmas little tea towel. Thought it was very cute, especially with that design. A little boring, but you guys know I'm pregnant, so I decided to get this little diaper caddy for our car so I can keep some diapers and stuff in it, pockets and little storing things. And you can also remove this if you need more storage. I thought this was perfect. It was $4. I got a phone case. It's plain. I kind of want to do the bow phone or pop socket with this. This would be cute too. Look how pretty. Oh my god, so girly and fun. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you haven't downloaded Temu, you absolutely need to, especially to use the code and get up to $100 worth of coupons, but also for gifting, for decorating for the holidays, for so many things. Temu has you covered, so definitely download the app if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.